Hi everybody, welcome to Momda's Life Handmade, and I am here to invite you all to the useful DIY challenge September 2020, and this month's theme is boho. So think boho. Boho is a very trending DIY and decor stuff everywhere. You will find a lot of boho videos and boho DIYs going on. I personally also love boho. So this month the theme is boho. So you have to make anything with boho vibes that you can use for yourself, your home, or you can give it to your loved ones. You can find it useful. So it can be anything, say a macrame coaster or a terracotta coaster. Take a vase or a pot and upcycle it, give it a new look, say paint it, give it a mud cloth like print and zigzag prints, give it that bohemian touch to it. Or you can take an old embroidered blouse, instead of tossing it away, make a cushion cover or a placemat out of it. Think bohemian, think macrame, ropes, natural elements, anything with boho vibes, any DIY that you can find it of some use for yourself or your home or your friends in boho vibes is welcome here. So now let's meet the co-host of this month. She's Maria from Artsy Cupcake. I've known her for quite some time. Visit her channel, look into her videos, you will love them. She does beautiful cupcake decorations, very innovative ideas, and let me tell you, off late I'm really enjoying her DIYs as well. So if you're new to her channel, I would really recommend you to visit her channel. I'll put a card link above as well as in the description box of this video. Show some love, tell her I sent you. I want to thank Maria for being the co-host of this month along with me for the useful DIY challenge. Now before I start with the rules of the challenge, one request: please adhere to the rules, use the hashtag as mentioned later on in the video, because I'm trying to create an auto playlist. Hopefully it works, and so that nobody has problem adding their videos to the playlist. I'll give the link to the playlist in my description box as well, so you can individually also add it on your own. If you have any problem adding your video to the playlist, just make some noise, let me know, and I'll help you out. Let's begin the rules. Rule number 1. In the title of your video, along with all the words that you use, please use the words useful DIY SEPT 2020. In the description box of your video, please remember to add hashtag useful boho DIY. It's a DIY challenge, so you have to show us the process, how you come to the final product. Next rule, well, you must be subscribed to both the channels, the host Momda's Life Handmade and the co-host Artsy Cupcake. In your video as well as in the description box of your video, please mention the host, co-host and the channels and links to the playlist. That is Mom from Momda's Life Handmade, Maria from Artsy Cupcake. Give our links in the description box, mention these channels, our names in the video as well, and also give link to the playlist in the description box of your video, so that more and more people get to know and visit each and every video of this challenge. The last rule is the upload date and time. The upload date for this month's challenge is going to be which is coming on 21st September 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time is easy to find. Just Google and search what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time and you'll get the conversion in your local time. It would be great to have so much inspiration from you all with your beautiful ideas related to boho vibes, related to something which was simple way of living. I really appreciate your support and hope to see you all on 21st September 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Until then, take care and be happy.